As you can probably see behind me, the clouds have come rolling in.
Ella is like a small mountain town. It's not really mountains, it's kind of like big hills, but
Tea plantations.
It's at an elevation of about just over 1,000 meters, and the mountains here go up to around 2,200. So there's lots of hiking. The climate's a little bit cooler, although it's still actually really hot.
So we're going to Little Adams Peak today. It should be about a 2-hour round trip to get up there. It's actually already the afternoon because we spent the morning trying to charge laptops and phones and things. We needed the phone to have the directions for the walk, so we were kind of walking around town trying to find somewhere that had a generator.
Yeah, the power's been completely out here for a few days. It got caught in a lot of heavy rain in the tail end of a typhoon that's kind of swept across Southeast Asia.
We managed to get a bit of charge in our phones. We've left our laptop
in some
a
random
hotel,
house.
So we're hoping that that's still there when we come back later. But now, yeah, we're off to go and explore Little Adams Peak.
And hopefully see some pretty decent views of all of the tea plantations around here, which is very famous for.
There's a break in the clouds at the moment, but it has been raining on and off, so the views might be a little obstructed.
And I expect we'll get wet at some point.
So we've made it to the top of Little Adams Peak. As you can probably see behind me, the clouds have come rolling in. Some really nice views on the way up here, and actually just as we got up here we could see, and then literally as soon as we got the cameras out, everything's closed on in. We're going to stay up here for 10 minutes or so. They're all moving pretty quickly, so hopefully we get a gap in the clouds. started down into town now, and we're just walking on the road, and we're noticing there's a few lights on in places, and music playing, and we've got our fingers crossed that perhaps the electric is back on, because we can't hear the telltale sound of any generators at the moment.
Yeah.
We shall see.
Fingers crossed we got some power back on so that tomorrow we can actually have some breakfast at our place rather than trying to find somewhere that has a generator so they can do some breakfast for us. And we'll probably go out and do some more hiking tomorrow.
Couldn't resist. Look what I found. Some underarm sweat pads. Self-adhesive pads that you stick in your underarms.
We've also found delicious breakfast items like herbal porridge and cornflakes with strawberry puree and iron shakti. Whatever the hell that is.
We're just looking at toothpaste. We've got a Clogard in either clove and eucalyptus or salt and mint. Sounds tasty. So this is an exciting development in our stay in Ella. We have power! Woohoo!
So we've had some dinner and we've got chatting to some people and totally forgot to turn the camera on. But it was good Sri Lankan food, probably some of the best that we've had. But we've got more hiking tomorrow before we head further south to a national park, so it's time for us to say goodnight. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I don't know what to say. You need to move, dude. You're not making good video footage right now. Action.
I don't want action. Really?
Yeah.